People. One of the things people ask is that how to manage people. So to manage them, I will share with you a very simple concept, very powerful. Okay, let's understand what they want. So once you know what they want, and when you understand that, you are able to use it in a very appropriate manner as an influence, not as a manipulation. And we will see the difference. Now, this concept is called as jam. Now, how many of you remember during school days in breakfast, we used to have that bread and jam and share with our friends and enjoy? How many of you could imagine and visualize that days when we were in school spending time with our friends eating bread and jam? Even today, some people, okay, there are some restaurants in Mumbai, especially where we go and eat, especially jam and bread. Excellent. Yeah, Pradeep. Yeah, Amit. Excellent, excellent. So, how does this jam apply in our business? So, let's understand the abbreviation of jam. How many of you are interested in knowing the full form of jam in our business? So, type interested in the chat box. Excellent, very good. Great, great, great. So, you all are involved to know what the jam is. So, the J stands for job satisfaction. J stands for job satisfaction. Only when the person is satisfied with what he is doing, he will be able to give more. I believe that there was a session a few weeks back where we understood about the concept called ARA: authority, responsibility, and accountability. And from there, I was able to connect this very well. And that session was also very powerful session which we all attended. So one is job satisfaction. Second is timely appreciation. When a person does a good job and when you appreciate him, okay, timely appreciation, it makes a hell lot of difference to that person. And the third factor is money. Now if I understand this logic, and that is the reason why we need to understand how we can influence people. So to influence people, we need to really work on the numbers, what will satisfy him. And I will come to one of the concept called productivity metrics, which will help us to understand this in a better way. Okay, so jam, all of you have understood jam. J stands for job satisfaction, A stands for appreciation, M stands for money. How to do it is again a very different thing which we need to do it where we get more time, and especially when we are doing a program, full day programs, we do this in a very systematic manner with some of questionnaires and tools and all those things. But this is the first part. What people want: people want job satisfaction, people want appreciation, and people want money. Some of my clients who have implemented it, okay, even in this COVID period, he has had 35 young people based on this principle, and he is implementing. These are more of entrepreneurs whom I'm dealing with, but it can be applied in any kind of business.